Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to your WordPress website without using the Google Maps API, which could be a little bit complicated to some people because you have to create keys, set it up on your end, on your website, approve the web. It's a whole technical setup that not a lot of people have time to or the knowledge to do it. So the best way to do it is just to use something like WordPress and just embed a video. But the idea over here, usually Google provides you with a preset specific sizes to your maps, right? It's medium, large, and small. So I'm going to show you how to resize them, how to make them full screen, and do whatever you want with it without an API. So the first thing I'm going to do is just create a new page. I'm going to call it home page. All right, and I'm going to click on publish just to save it, and then I'm going to go to my Google Maps and just pick this map that I have. Now how I got to this is you just do a Google search, you click on the burger menu, then click on share or embed map, and then just go to embed a map and copy the code over here. So I'm going to go with just small so I can demonstrate the different sizes. Copy HTML, and then when you go here, okay, this is the default builder that comes with WordPress. So once you create a page, you have these options. So if you click on the plus over here or over here at the top, you get a bunch of different blocks that you can add to your website. So one of the blocks that I'm looking for is called HTML block. So I'm just going to type in HTML. All right, and over here you can paste your Google code, Google Maps code, and just click on publish, and let's see how it looks. View page, and as you can see, it's a small map. Now this is, of course, can be changed based on the different specifications or the sizes that you want. So I'm just going to click on edit, and what you can do is just play around with these numbers, change the height, the width, and all that stuff. So, and also based, for example, if you want to change the width of the page, you go to width, you put 100% over here, right? And then let's change the attribute of the page to be full width, so the whole page is full width and it's not restricted to a very specific size of what the theme originally comes with, and this is how it looks. So it's pretty flexible. Now let's use a theme like Divi, for example. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back to my home page and just delete that block that I just added. Click over here, remove block, update, so we don't have any additional stuff that is added to it. Click on theme, activate the Divi theme, which is a very popular theme I think everybody should use. Go back to my home page, click on home, and then over here I'm going to switch to Divi Builder. So edit with Divi Builder, and Divi Builder gives you a lot of options. I'm not going to get into these two. I'm just going to click start with a builder, so it's a blank canvas. I'm going to add a row, and in a row we can add a model. So one of the models that I want to add over here is add code over here, and this will gives you the freedom to add whatever you want, and you can see it right away. So this is how it looks, right? It's fantastic. Now it's a good thing, but at the same time what you can do is change and play with the code and make it full screen, just like what we saw before. But as you can see, this is visual, you can see the changes right away. So that's one option. You can keep it as is, or in Divi what you have, you can add a full width columns, right? So instead of regular, I'm going to click on full width over here. Okay, and they have also full width code. I'm going to click on full width code. I'm going to paste my code again, and I'm going to change it from 400 the width to 100%. Okay, and maybe change the height. Yeah, I'll keep it the same, maybe 250, so you can see how it looks now. 350 actually is a good number, and click OK. And over here you can delete this part, and as you can see, this is full width and it looks awesome. And under it you can start a new column and you can add whatever you want. So one of the things that you can add is a text box, right? And type in contact us. Of course, that's not the proper way of doing it, but just to demonstrate that this is what you can do with it. And this looks pretty easy. You don't have to use an API. You don't have to use anything. There's no cap on how many times you can show this map on your website, and you won't be charged for it. And if we want to see how the website looks like, I'm just gonna click on exit, and this is how it looks. And it's very interactive. It works. It's mobile friendly. So if you want to see how it looks on mobile, it's gonna resize because we put the width of the page to 100%. So this is how it looks on a tablet, and this is how it looks on a mobile. And of course you can change it. So basically, this is how easy it can be, and it's not that complicated. If you want to use the Google Maps API, it's a whole different thing. In Divi, you have an option where you can add all that information over here, theme options, and then you can add the Google API key. But if you follow a lot of tutorials on the internet on how to do this step by step, you'll encounter a lot of issues and it might not work properly. So just as an easy way or a solution to your problem, just copy paste the code, change the width, and you can use Divi to actually make it more practical or to customize it the way you want. So as you can see, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos like this, little tips and tricks to help you out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe and comment on the videos, and hope to see you again on a different episode. Thank you very much.